What up, y'all?
Hey, y'all.
Welcome back to Wilson For Real. We just pulled up to one of the best barbecue places in St. Louis. I didn't say the best, but one of the best. And so we're going to go in and see what we can get. I'm kind of feeling meats today, boo.
We have the meats.
So I think we're going to go in and try out their Meat Daddy platter. I think they have there. So sit back, relax, and check out this barbecue from Sugarfire.
Squad up.
So we are at
Sugarfire.
We're at Sugarfire, and my grays are starting to show back up. Need to put a little magic on it. And we are about to have some St. Louis barbecue, and you see that right there. We got the, I don't know what you call that.
The Meat Daddy.
We got the Meat Daddy platter. So that gives you all the meats. We got all the different sauces. And when I say they're amazing, they're amazing. We got potatoes and baked beans for our sides. We about to dig in real quick.
Alright, so I got the same thing. We got the turkey, the baked beans, pulled pork, brisket, sausage, ribs, hash brown, casserole.
Yummy, yummy.
And I got a variety of sauces. So I got the, I don't even remember what this is called.
That's the white horseradish.
White horseradish. This got something to do with some mustard.
I think that's the North Carolina.
North Carolina. That's what it is because I wasn't sure. Then this is this the Texas hot?
That might be the Texas.
Texas hot. One of this is a sweet.
St. Louis sweet.
St. Louis sweet. And
Is that the coffee?
nope, this is another St. Louis sweet because I don't like the coffee.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of the coffee either. How you doing?
Doing great. How are you doing? Looks like you're doing good.
Oh yeah.
So I got some sausage. I'm gonna taste that. Ooh,
It's good.
we got some cheese in it.
Yeah,
This
jalapeno cheese. I think.
Jalapeno cheese. Oh my god,
Yeah.
it's real good.
Yummy.
I got a drink too. I got a cherry cola.
And I got a lemonade.
Okay, sausage. Let me try some turkey because you know this could be dry.
And I didn't try the rib, so you should probably do the rib.
Okay. Try this one.
Is that the Texas? I'm not really a fan of the Texas. It's like a spicy. I ain't really like a spicy person. I like the sweet barbecue sauce. But some people like
hot.
the hot. Yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
And then this is the. That's good too. It's like a little too much sweet. I need a little more pepper. But this turkey is real good. Let me try this brisket.
Brisket.
I am starting to be a fan of brisket. When we went to Houston, my line sister had the best brisket. I'm not sure the barbecue place, but it was amazing. I'm gonna try this by itself.
Good.
It's real good. Let me try the mustardy one. What is it called again?
North Carolina. Come on and raise up.
Too much mustard.
Too much mustard.
Too much. Too much mustard. Okay, let me try some I'm gonna try the baked beans because I love baked beans.
You love baked beans?
Yep.
Look like we got some inclement weather coming.
Yeah, we gotta eat fast. Might have to run inside.
I'm gonna eat out here in the rain.
Oh no.
What do you think about the baked beans?
Those are good and different.
Good
And different.
and different. Gotta make sure you add the and different in there.
It got some celery in it.
Do
That's
you,
why I said that different.
do you taste the rib chunks?
I think that was the turkey chili. We should have got that. This just the baked beans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, baked beans good though. Let me taste this hash brown casserole, which you normally think is a breakfast dish.
Yeah. It's a barbecue dish. Barbecue side. It's actually good as hell.
That's amazing. That's real good. Real good. I'm not really a ribby person.
Ribby.
That just feel good.
Gotta tear it off like, there you go. Like Fred Flintstone.
Falling off the bone.
Yeah. Good.
It's
What
real
sauce would you use with that? The horseradish. That's unusual. I mean, that's different. Not unusual. That's your preference.
It's the horseradish I like in this. It's different though. So if you don't like different, you're not gonna eat it. If you in St. Louis, you better come over to Sugarfire.
Right. Well, we about to smash out. So we get 5 choices of meats. And so you got the smoked turkey, the pulled pork, the beef brisket, and of course your rib, and a jalapeno sausage. This is hash brown potatoes with cheese. And then this is the baked beans. So I'm gonna taste the baked beans real quick and give my opinion. Baked beans are good. So
Look
the
at all of this food.
baked beans has ribs in them, like little meat chunks from the rib. These are potatoes, cheesy. Those are really good.
Okay. Because I wasn't sure when we grabbed them.
So the 2 sauces that I got was St. Louis Sweet, Texas Hot, and then the white, which is like a horseradish mixture.
Yeah.
So let me try the turkey with the St. Louis Sweet. They cook this real good. Real good.
That looks good.
I'm gonna go through all the meats.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to take prime on.
You see that ring, that smoke ring right there? I'm gonna dip that in the Texas. Not a big fan of the Texas, but this is actually good without the sauce.
Yeah.
So you don't even need the Texas. I wouldn't even recommend the Texas. You can get a little bit of this sausage. I like how you kind of slice it too.
Me too. I feel like this is when you're going to come here, you might as well get this one.
Yeah.
So you can get a taste of everything.
It's like a sampler. Jalapeno sausage is good. I would recommend the St. Louis sauce. Okay. Well, we so full we can't even move.
At all. It was so good.
The food was very good. Let's talk about the service.
The service was good.
So when we first went in, it wasn't really a when we first went in, it wasn't really a line.
No, it wasn't. We was lucky.
We was lucky. It wasn't a line. Sorry about the phone, guys. It wasn't a line. the meat smelled good when you walked in. It was a nice smoky smell when you walked in. So,
and they had all the meat. We have definitely been here where they ran out.
Yeah. And we actually are here a couple hours before they close, which is surprising. So they must have had a slow day, but it's a constant crowd coming in right now.
Yeah.
Because we still sitting in the parking lot. But the service was good. Food was good. Taste was very good. I don't think LaChris was a big fan of the beans.
The beans, because we've had different beans, but it was actually chili, but it kind of tastes like baked beans, but it wasn't.
Yeah, we had it was the burnt-in chili or the
burnt-in. It must be burnt-in baked beans. They didn't have, the burnt-ins didn't come with that. That's right. Burnt-ins is something that you got to ask for separately.
It might have been brisket chili.
Brisket chili.
Yeah,
that's what it was. Yeah, it was on the menu. We just didn't see it.
Yeah, so they had brisket chili. And we started off on the inside, but, people started coming in and, with COVID still not gone.
It's not.
People are taking their masks off. Of course, you need to take your mask off to eat. But we felt safer sitting outside. So they got an outside eating area, which is cool. It sits right in front of the building. There was a few folks out there enjoying their day. And we ate, and it was great.
Yeah.
I highly recommend Sugarfire.
Highly. And
on a scale of 1 to 5, today I'm gonna give Sugarfire 4. It's a strong 4 too. It's a strong 4. It was good. The turkey was smoked good, but it was a little on the dry side, just a little, just a tad. And I don't know if it was, cause how sometimes you sit outside and the air sucks out the moisture of your food.
Yeah. And
I think that could have been it. So maybe if we'd have ate it immediately, but we had to get napkins, we had to get all the different sauces.
You got to get, they have a lot of different flavors of soda. That's what we were supposed to show too.
Yeah, we had to get drinks.
Yeah.
So, it was cool though. But I think going to Sugarfire today kind of tops off our weekend. We had a fun-filled weekend. Don't forget to check out the Six Flags vlog we did. We got a chance to take our kids to Six Flags. This was like their first time going
on any roller coasters. Well, it's a roller coaster and what is it? It's a small one.
Well, this was their first time going to Six Flags.
Yeah, it was.
So, the excitement of all the things that was going on around them, and the food and the rides and all of that. Our youngest, we kind of broke his fear.
We did.
So I recommend taking your kids to an amusement park around that age, around 6 or 7.
Before you take them to Disney World.
Yeah, before you take them to Disney World, because it kind of breaks the ice.
Yeah, it did. And they had so much fun. But let me get my rating on the food.
Oh, yeah.
So, I got the same exact thing with all the meats. I always try to get extra so I can take some home. I'm going to give them a 4.25. My turkey wasn't dry. It was really good. The only thing is I wish I wouldn't have got the baked beans.
Yeah.
The baked beans kind of threw me off.
Kind of put a little damper in the whole
it did.
meal.
But that hash brown casserole was good. I think I got broccoli coleslaw last time I came in. It was good. And I should have got that again. But
the baked beans, I think they kind of overdid it with the
they
celery.
Put some celery in it. Like, why would you do that?
It's like chopped celery and onions, I think.
And I feel like I've had the baked beans and it didn't have any of that. Like, is it a new cook?
It might have been the chili you had and you thought it was baked beans.
But the chili tasted baked beanish. It wasn't like chili. So.
And so if you are in St. Louis, Sugarfire is a local owner, small business. And I think they have 3 or 4 locations. One of their newest locations is in Forest Park's old boathouse. And if you guys took a look at our earlier video where we went to High Point Burger and Fries, it's the same owner. So they own High Point They also have Sugarfire pies, where they sell desserts, pies especially, but I think they have ice cream and some cakes and other pastries. But
Yeah.
Sugarfire, look them up if you are in the St. Louis area. They are very good. Highly recommend them. Be on the lookout this summer for our top 5 barbecue places to go to in St. Louis. And we're going to go to a couple of other barbecue places. We plan to go to Pappy's, of course, Red's black owned. We're going to try to find some hidden gems that we haven't really been to, even though we've lived in St. Louis all our life.
Yeah, we kind of, I'm more of the eat the same thing type of person.
Yeah.
I'd be like, I don't have time to try nothing new today when I'm hungry.
Yeah, and specifically with barbecue, like, people are specific with their barbecue. Like, Sugarfire is more of your competition barbecue. Red's is more of your backyard family gathering barbecue. And Pappy's is somewhere in the middle. I don't know if Chris, have you had Pappy's? So Pappy's,
my mom talks about it all the time.
Pappy's is one of those places where they have their specialty. Like, they're known for their pulled pork, beef brisket, and I believe ribs.
What's going on over there?
So I don't know what this family's doing in front of us, but
It's kind of annoying.
But with that being said, man, we appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Wilson's for real. Catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course right here on YouTube. We're on TikTok too. We do some TikToks here and there. But until next time, we're gonna holler at y'all. We out this thing. Peace.